Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader here from Mr. Topstep with your Monday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, what I've got here is a 15-minute chart of the ES, and essentially we opened up, made a play down at 1429, went up to this double area up at 1334.25, and the pivots today are giving us a price magnet from 1434 quarter to 1435.58. It's double pivots, daily and 3-day, and then there's a fib level in there too. So what that area tends to do is be a price magnet in either direction. And that happened on Europe Open. We double bottomed down in this 1428 area, and then we jumped up to hit this price magnet. Now, we didn't stop. We kept on going. And full disclosure, I am long and my subscribers are long. We're long from 1428 half, which we put on late last night. And I took half off while I was asleep just at 1432 for 3.5. Because, I mean, you never know what a trade's going to do. And I've got a stop in right now at 1438 half for 10 handles. So just full disclosure. We jumped up on Europe Open, and we're starting to see some resistance up in this double fib 9-day pivot area. So what you want to look for during the course of today is a trade back down to the price magnet. The price magnet works in both directions, so be ready maybe on the open or at some point in time during the morning to trade back down to that level. Okay? Now, what this jumble of lines tells me is that from 31 to 35 is a pretty critical area of control, and whoever wins that area is likely to win the day. So we popped right through it on Europe Open. I think we've absolutely got to come back and retest it, and we may even come back as far as testing the breakout area. What we saw on Thursday and Friday was a lot more of a two-sided trade, and we may be in for more of that today. So be aware that we're up in the 40s now. There seems to be some resistance. We'll come back down and let that daily and 3-day pivot area do its job. Okay. Let's look at the daily chart. So daily chart of the ES, and what we're seeing is over 4 sessions, you've just got this general battle for the middle Bollinger Band. We're below it, we're above it, below it, above it. A lot of it reminds me of this: down, up, rejection. So we'll have to see if the bears can push it back below. The middle band is basically 1439 today for what it's worth. So keep an eye on the middle band and keep an eye on those Fibonacci areas, and keep in mind where we stand on the calendar. This is a jobs week. Friday, non-farm payroll report. So once we get past Wednesday, all anybody's going to want to talk about is jobs. So 10 o'clock today, you've got ISM and construction spending. So we'll have to see how that plays out going forward.